it's been a while. Because I have this new setup, I figured why not do a test video to see if this works. It's more for myself. The odds are that this video isn't even going to be posted. But we'll see about that. And if you're wondering, we're going to make ourselves 2B today. Because I A, promised someone for quite a while I'd do it, and B, the new Nier game got released like 2 days ago. So why not? And as per usual, we start with some thick ass foundation. And get it all over the beard area. And this time I actually bought a new beauty blender because my old ones were old, like properly old. So I figured, you know what, why not just get a new one? And this works like way better than the other ones. So, you know, note to self, get more new stuff if you need it. And as you can see, I have this whole new setup, and as you probably can also see, Adobe Audition. Just gonna hope and pray that this will keep the recording going. Anyway, so yeah, the reason why I kind of stopped doing makeup tutorials was basically because I didn't want to constantly like have to put up my stuff and turn everything around. I had this quite just literally two stands and a piece of wood on top of it, and that was my table. Like, that's it. And that worked for the first couple of tutorials, but not for like long term. And I don't have like a lot of space. I have plenty of space, but wow, contradictory much. But I have plenty of space to do my thing, but I can't have my photo setup and my video setup like at the same time. So I figured, you know what, let's just make it a bit more video friendly. And I have this nice solid table right now, which basically is just my desk, which was standing somewhere there. And I hope that you won't hear the the loud noises that that the wooden plank made if I just put a bit of pressure on it, and just it's a bit less distracting, at least the sounds, because I actually have a proper background now, which I'm quite content with. I'm not done yet with like everything redecorating. Like I literally, what are sides? D&D books in my window. So that's been the place, and I literally did all of this today. Like, I cleaned my studio, I shifted around everything, I reconnected my PC, I set up lights. Ooh, I did a lot. And now I'm recording this tutorial, and if I hurry up, I might do a second video on the new makeup I got a couple of days ago, because I promised someone else I'd do that. Nice. Now we're going in with a bit of concealer because I need it. 2B doesn't necessarily has a big layer of makeup on, but also I kind of need it. So we're now going in with some concealer under the eyes, just to kind of make myself look less like I haven't slept for a week. Also, before you ask, I do sleep like properly, and this is it basically. Like, I don't need any like a thick layer, but I feel more comfortable with like just the under eyes being concealed and not look like I could die any second. So just blend that out. And the downside with the new beauty blenders, you kind of have to squeeze it really good to, you know, to actually properly get into the edges of your like eyes and stuff. So everything is, you know, the base is done basically. It's a miracle. I didn't spend, you know, 40 minutes on this. But now setting spray. I love it, this setting spray, but it's also it's supposed to make your face like super dewy. So, and it kind of does. Oh well. All right. Eyes. We're going just lightning speed. For the base, I'm going to use a white. And just get it all over the lid. Just get it in there, yeah. And get that. Ooh. Yeah, boy, come up. Probably, yeah. Synchronisatie klap. And from this point onward, the sound isn't echoey anymore, I think. Anyway, continuing with the eyes. Get in there. Then, with a, what is it? I have no clue what this color is. I mean, it's all or nothing from the nude palette from Beauty Bay. It's like a light, it's not brown, it's like brown yellowish. I'll probably pop it up somewhere. Anyway, we're gonna place that in the crease. And yeah. Oh. Oh my, nice. And just get it upwards towards the eyebrow a bit. I literally forgot, just thought of, shit, I don't have my GoPro set up. Okay, well. Oh well. I actually think like this is a way better setup than I had the last videos. It's because it's more like well lit and actually there is stuff in the background which, you know, might be distracting or might not be distracting, who knows. Then, because we've blended the previous color, we're going to take just a slightly darker color and kind of, you know, put that in the crease again, just to add a little bit of depth to our eyes. And just really lightly tap it on there. So, now we're going to blend everything together with a nice soft fluffy brush and just gently blend that. It's still wet. Well, balls. Schijnregie op mij. Yes, but maybe. I have decided I need a bit more darkness just here. Yeah. So we'll take the second color and just put it, well, right here. And you know what the best side of 2B is? If you don't like eye makeup, just put the eye blindfold. Wow, what is English? Blindfold on, and you'll be fine. Ooh, Those are the best characters. So next. Take a deep breath. And bust them eyelashes out. I use magnetic ones because those are, you know, perfect for me and really is the silent part of the video. Oh Jesus, okay.
Bruh.
What the fuck? See, this is the reason why I hate eyeliner. Yeah, we're gonna need to fix this botch job. I mean, I've never been good at eyeliner, so I'm not going to pretend I'm like the master of eyeliner, because I'm not. My eyeliner game just sucks. A lot. And I was just patiently waiting on the eyeliner to dry. So now, some mascara. Just putting a lot of mascara on the upper lash line. I swear to God, sometimes I wonder how I've survived 26 years. Well, probably because I'm fucking awesome. And now we'll let this dry for a couple of minutes. And whilst this is drying, we're gonna just fix my face a bit. So because 2B has like a small nose, I'm just going to contour my nose a bit. Just slightly, so it has the illusion of like being smaller. Even though I'm very aware that my nose is already quite small. And just a bit here. There we go. And just blend that baby. I mean, even I love doing like big, like bimbo or drag makeups, but these kind of makeup looks that don't necessarily require like a lot of work. You know, those are nice as well from time to time. And I'm turning this into a bimbo look later for the other video, because that's kind of fits the video better. So now for the lips, I'm going to use just one shade of like a nude color that closely resembles my own skin color. I really would have hoped that all the crackling would stop with this solid table, but it didn't. Now, cool. Hang on, we're not done just yet. Look at lashes. I'm so happy. I got these from. So I got these from a friend who will be making her appearance soon. And I love them. Like, I always have these super extra lashes. And having, you know, a pair of lashes that's not super extra, that's perfect. But anyway, now that it's done, it's like fast. We've been, I think I don't even have like 45 minutes of content. So we're just gonna spritz to my face, please. Let's get dressed. So, I wrestled myself into the costume. I really forgot how hard it is to get into to be with like my boobs. Anyway, I hope you actually, you know, learned something or were at least entertained. And I'll edit in some extra shots of me actually with the whole blindfold. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, this new setup of mine. And if you did, let me know
somewhere down there. I think I'm doing it like the professional YouTubers. So thank you, and till next time.